Hey friends, if you opt into a particular public beta, then Data Sync can now handle custom objects for certain integrations. Check this out. So here I am setting up a sync for Airtable, which is one of the supported integrations. And if I set up my sync here, I can say, for Airtable, I'm going to grab my company's base. I'm going to grab my company's table. And then coming over here to HubSpot, instead of only having standard objects to sync to, all my custom objects are here. And if I need to create a new custom object, I can just go ahead and do that, right? So I could create a tables object to be able to sync this over to. Now, if you're going to opt into this beta, definitely recommend you read the product announcement in your product updates tag. There are just a handful of integrations that this is supported for, and there are certain limitations that will be in place until this reaches full availability and it's out of beta. So read it carefully, but it's a super exciting movement forward to have custom objects supported in our real-time two-way sync engine that is Data Sync. Check it out, opt yourself in, let me know what you think, let me know if you have any questions.